Tara, simulan na natin.
Give me like 1 to 2 minutes. I'm going to prepare. Can you suggest an opening spiel for me, please?
Sure, you could start with something like, Happy Valentine's Day, everyone. Welcome to episode 11 of Laro Larong Podcast. I'm Peps, and with me is Lance. Today we're diving into all things love, kilig, and Valentine's stories. Whether you're single, taken, or somewhere in between, we've got something for you. Let's get started.
Siya na kayo mag-opening day. Siya na lang. Ang pangit ko mag-opening lagi. Sige.
Lagyan mo yung mic sa ano niya.
Sige, Lance. Ako ang sasalo sa simula. Chill ka lang dyan.
Be, Pabs, ang pangalan ko. Ikaw si Lance nga, di ba, Be?
Oo naman. Malinaw. Ikaw si Pops, ako si Lance. Handa na akong sumalang sa opening. Kaya game na.